Hello, everybody. I just want to say today that um, people like to blame others for all the negative stuff that happens for them and with them. But I have to say, everything is within us. So take some time and look inside yourself and see how you attracted some misery to yourself. Because every little bit of this misery is in you already. So if you see or feel it come up, it's time to look at it. And then you could see how you sabotaged your life. All right, you guys, come on, you could do this. Work at it. I love you guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.